So, join me this afternoon on a little walking. So I'm in Arenal, in Mallorca, filming in the first week of July. So we're in high season, and I'm going to have a little walk around the Playa Allsun Hotel, set right on the beach. So let's have a walk through and check out this hotel. Okay, so at the back of the bar area, you've got your coffee station and what looked like it would be daytime or afternoon snacks. Now that window's open there, we've got a lovely breeze blowing in from the sea. We'll be sat here for the last 15 minutes just chilling out. It's been absolutely gorgeous. So you've got a straight out view. A little bit spoiled, but you can just see the ocean. Just a bit spoiled by these roofs here. So you've got a lovely outside area here, and then I'll just walk you back through into the inside area, walk you around the pool, show you where the bar is, and if the restaurant's open, I'll whiz in and give you a quick overview of the restaurant as well while I'm here. So I'm just going to whiz back into the bar here. We've got the bar here, which is both on this side and the pool side as well, so on both sides. Reception just over here. Dining area is open. I'll just give you a quick overview. Nice big buffet style dining area. People are dining, so I didn't want to go. I didn't want to be too intrusive, but you just get an idea of what it looks like. So there'll be loads of seating area here in the evening. Stage over there, obviously, where the evening entertainment will be on. So let's go and have a look outside, see what's going on. It's not a room review. It's just a walk through the hotel. Just gives people an idea of the booking, what it looks like now, the quality of the furniture, pool area, and the overall appearance. Quality of the hotel as it is at the moment. So time of filming, we are in first week in July 2025. So I've just been walking around all these hotels on the front, so I'm going to put a nice playlist together, so if you want to watch it and check out all the other places I've been filming today, feel free. So no glass balconies here, which I prefer. You can still see the sea, but people can't see you. A lot more privacy. Whereas some of these modern hotels now, they just have a pure glass balcony. I personally find it very intrusive, but that's just my opinion. Outdoor area there for your lunch. Oh, that's interesting. Designated wheelchairs. Designated badges are put on the back of the chairs for disability. That's quite good. I like that. So yeah, there you go. Loads of restaurants here on both sides. If you want to go out of an evening and get yourself something different than the hotel buffet. And as you can see, you're straight onto the beach here, so it is rather nice. The weather here is absolutely melting hot, by the way. So these big parasols do come in handy. Don't underestimate a good parasol. Wash your feet as you're coming off the beach. Let's have a quick mooch up, see what's going on up here. And you've got another nice big sun deck over here, so if you want to get that tan topped up, it's the place to do it. Quite a pretty view. Okay. Put it down again. If you've stayed here, you've got any room recommendations? Or if you're in the area, you've eaten out, and you've got any recommendations for a nice bar, a nice restaurant, a nice place to go for a dancing evening, why not leave a comment in the comment section below? Plastic cups for the outside. Oops. So there you go. That's just a quick overview of the hotel, what it looks like. If you like this kind of content, give me a thumbs up, it's appreciated. If you want to see more of this kind of stuff, subscribe to the channel. And if you know anyone who's in the area or is coming down here, why not share the video? Thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.